I'm Sri Vidya,
And I'm Manu.
and right now we are in Abu Dhabi. Soon we will be going to Dubai to explore the world of IMG. By the way, what is IMG?
IMG World is world's largest indoor theme park based in Dubai.
Okay, so we will explore it and walk you through our experience. So Anu, where are we going?
No, I don't speak.
What?
I'm not going to speak anymore.
Okay. We are soon going to start our journey. We have already boarded the bus. Yalla. So Anu,
Yeah,
where have we reached?
we have reached IMG World of Adventure
Ah.
in Dubai.
Okay.
We're just going to enter the place.
Okay.
So we are inside IMG World now. Okay, we got our tickets
Okay.
and we'll proceed inside now.
Okay. But what is the first thing that you need to do?
Go to washroom.
No! Feed me!
Okay.
I'm hungry!
Place is huge. इस तरफ कॉफी हाउस है, उस तरफ फ्लेवर्स ऑफ अरेबिया है.
So the Dexter and Didi are walking ahead of us.
So much for joining us, the cast of IMG Worlds of Adventure.
Anu, why is it so difficult to find a restaurant?
It's not difficult to find a restaurant. It's like this place is huge and there are a lot of restaurants here. So yeah, I mean there are a lot of attractions here. So it will take some time.
Ooh, I love that.
वापस एंट्रेंस पे ही आ गए.
Okay, this was not right.
Okay, we turn back.
Okay, I think we reached the point from where we had started.
Yes.
So probably we got lost. So till now the updates are I'm still hungry. We couldn't find a restaurant where we can have food. When
We did
couldn't.
find, but we didn't like the option, so we are going to try out a new restaurant.
Okay, and till now
Uh-huh.
I couldn't see or we couldn't see any of the rides yet. So
Right, so of course there are lot of many. We have to go inside, right?
Yeah.
We are
so,
still in the.
so that means we are still outside.
No, we are actually at the entrance.
Yeah, we are only at the entrance. When are we going to go in? See? You remember? We reached this place again. This spot again. Aha! I think we are entering
कहाँ
a
बैठना है?
restaurant.
कहाँ बैठना है?
Any place? Any cozy place? Yeah.
So what do you want? What you would like to eat?
I think that's a very familiar question, and you know the very famous answer. I don't know. Surprise me.
Yeah, this menu has surprised me with the prices.
Okay, so we have ordered our food, and there's a waiting time of around
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we will enjoy each other's company now.
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
So, what is actually bothering you right now? What is your trouble? Tell me. Tell me what is your trouble?
What do you mean? What is my trouble? Is it some sort of skill that I should have? The question should be, what is troubling you?
Okay. What is troubling you? Me? Okay.
Right.
We were so hungry, we have already started to eat, and then we realized we could have taken a picture. So, sorry about it. So, Anu,
Yes.
how was the food?
Food was heavy. We couldn't finish it all in one go, so it took really a long time to finish the food.
Yeah. Actually, we misjudged the quantity of the food from the menu card that was given. But the food was really delicious. Let's go to our new destination. Okay, I'm sure somebody's going to just come and scare us. Huh? Why is it so dark?
It's supposed to be haunted.
Okay, this is cute.
Ooh, we just came back from haunted hotel.
It was haunted and also very hilarious. Oh my goodness, I
Yeah.
couldn't stop laughing. Oh, can you see people going to hell or experiencing hell there? Oh my goodness, are they kids?
Huh?
So that ride is for kids, yeah?
No, adults, everyone.
Everyone? My.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So they all are Powerpuff Girls. Oh, and he's at the Mojo Jojo Honto. That's why.
Believes it is too dangerous. But what about the danger to these dinosaurs?
entry.
Yeah, it seems
And
to be a
it
ride.
seems to be very scary. You see the gate closing.
नेक्स्ट क्या करना है? घोड़े पे चले?
We are going to have a ride of the Predator. What was this, Anu? Guys, we just finished our this funny, nice, scary ride. It was awesome. We just finished it. How was your experience, Anu?
I'm still not able to stand straight.
Oh my goodness. This is nice. Perfect place for a Bollywood dance. So can we take that roller coaster ride again?
No, I don't have the capacity to do that again. I'm waiting to see how this one operates. A very short one, but still a thrilling one. That's why I don't like longer rides. I mean, if you're planning to kill me, just kill me in one go.
Director Fury, you are urgently needed to the briefing room.
Okay. Right now we finished a ride and its name was? Its name was?
Avengers Battle of Ultron.
Avengers Battle of Ultron. It was a 3D simulation. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are going there.
ये कहाँ पे आ गए हम लोग?